Good day, everyone. My name is Mr. Adenubi. You are welcome to IGCSE English literature class. Today, we've been looking at one of our first major topics, which is how to write a literary essay. This particular lesson is for students both in year 10 and year 11. How do we write a literary essay? Let me put it this way first. A literary essay is not too different from a normal English essay. Okay? We expect a normal English essay to have a good introduction, a good body of work, and a very beautiful conclusion. The same way, we expect a literary essay to have introduction, body, and conclusion. But there is little change to add, which will mark off a literary essay from an English essay. The first thing you must do is to tell us a little about the writer whose work you are using. If, for example, you are using William Shakespeare's Macbeth, you must be able to tell us a little about Shakespeare. Okay? If also you are using a poem, okay, it could be a poem. If you are using a poem, for example, you must be able to tell us a little about the writer of the poem, because sometimes there's a particular part of the writer's life that is linked to the poem. Okay? So it is very important for you to be able to tell us or do that for us. Okay? Now, this makes a good introduction. What next? That's the body of the work. In the body of the work, the first thing you must do is to establish the purpose of your essay. I'll take that again. Establish the purpose of your essay. Let the reader or the examiner know what you want to do in the essay. Okay? It's possible that you want to say that a particular character is a bad one. Establish it at the beginning of your work. Okay? Then the next thing to do in literature, there's what we call in literary analysis. Usually we have what we call a PEA or PEE. P stands for point, E stands for example, while the last E stands for explanation. If it's PEA, P stands for point, E stands for example, while A stands for analysis. We are still talking about the same thing. Now, you have to pick a point. You have established your purpose, a particular point that supports that purpose. Okay? The next thing, you have to pick a point. When you do that, then you now go back again into the text to go and look for an example to support the point you have picked. After bringing out the example, then you now explain. Your explanation has to do with linking the point with the example you are giving to show that the particular example you have given actually relates to the point you have picked. It's very simple. It's very simple. If, for example, I'm looking at William Shakespeare's Macbeth, and I want to say that Macbeth, not anyone else, is the cause of his own downfall, then I have to go to the text. If I now say that, oh, Macbeth is overambitious, that's a point. Okay, I can now go to the text to go and show the examiner that in this part of the text, Macbeth displays a dint of overambition. After then, I will now explain. Okay. Also, you must remember, the examiner expects you to write between 3 and 5 points. Make 5 points, 5 examples, 5 explanations. If you're able to do that in your work, then you are going to get a good score. Okay? Remember, pick a good point, pick an example, and explain very well. If you're able to do this, then you have won over the examiner's heart. The last thing to do is the conclusion. What do you need to do in your conclusion? It's very simple. Just reiterate what you have done. Tell us again what you have done and how you have done it. With the paragraphs above, I have been able to show that Macbeth, for example, and not anyone else, is the cause of his own downfall. No one killed Banquo, but Macbeth. No one killed King Duncan, but Macbeth. With all of this, it only goes to show that Macbeth is the cause of his own downfall, and you are done. Okay? Don't forget again your introduction, the body of the work, and the conclusion. But remember, pick a point, go to the text to pick example to support your point, and lastly, explain the point very well and link it with the example. And that is all. I will see you very soon again. Okay? Thank you very much for your time.